Very good morning, students. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. So, students, let's start today's class. Now, students, today I am going to start question number 2 of exercise 9A. Beta, I gave you homework yesterday from question number 1 of exercise 9A, and I hope you have complete your homework. Now, today I am going to start question number 2. The question now write down, students. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के नीचे से ही आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 स्टार्ट कर देंगे एंड दिस वर्क यू विल डू इन योर नोटबुक. आप ये सारा वर्क अपनी नोटबुक में करेंगे. नाउ क्वेश्चन 2 इज ड्रॉ ए रेक्टेंगल ऑफ एनी साइज. सो स्टूडेंट्स यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ रेक्टेंगल ऑफ एनी साइज. उसका कोई साइज नहीं है, आप अपनी मर्जी से यू हैव टू डू योर ओन. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ रेक्टेंगल. डिवाइड इट इनटू 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स. सो सपोज दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगल. We divide this into how many equal parts? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Count these parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divide it into 5 equal parts. These are equal 5 parts of this rectangle. Shade its 3 parts. How many parts are shaded? 3 parts. One part. This is second part, 2 part, and this is 3. Now we shade 3 parts of this rectangle. So write the fraction for the shaded parts. So what is the fraction, beta? We divide this rectangle into 5 equal parts. So how many parts? Total parts 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we write down 5 in the lower. Total parts we always write in the lower. नीचे वाली लाइन में लिखते हैं अपॉन के नीचे. Then how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So shaded parts we will write on the. So the fraction of. So write the fraction for the shaded part. So the fraction of this rectangle is 3 upon 5. So students, write down rectangle. Divide it into 5 equal parts. Then shade 3 parts or color 3 parts. You can color these parts. आप इनको कलर भी कर सकते हैं, but you will use only light shaded color. Light colors के light shade के colors use करके you will use pencil colors, light pencil colors. Okay. Then you will draw the rectangle. Then color them. Then write the fraction for this rectangle. So what is the fraction? 3 upon 5. Now second is B is also same. Divide same draw a rectangle of any size. Divide it into 6 equal parts. Now we draw a rectangle. अब इसको हम ऐसे इक्वल पार्ट्स में जरूरी नहीं, हम वर्टिकली हॉरिजॉन्टली कैसे भी हम उनको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. सो 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are how many? 6 equal parts. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to draw a rectangle and we divided this rectangle into 6 equal parts. So shade its 5 parts. So shade its 5 parts. Now you will color 5 parts. 1 part. 2 part, 3 part, 4 part and 5 part. Now write the fraction for the shaded part. So first how many equal parts we divide in this rectangle? So we divide this rectangle into 6 equal parts. So we write down 6 in the lower line. And how many parts are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are. So beta, we always write down the colored part on the upper line and the total equal parts on the lower line. So students, write down question number 2. Now students, write down question number 3. So question number 3 is draw 2 rectangles of identical sizes. rectangles of any size, किसी भी size के आप 2 rectangles draw करेंगे. Divide each into 3 parts. So first we draw 2 rectangles. Rectangle 1 and this is rectangle 2. Now first we draw 2 rectangles of identical size. Now divide each into 3 parts. So we divide each into 3 parts. 1 part, 2 part and 3 part. 1, 2, 3. Now again 1 part, 2 part and 3 part. 1, 2, 3. Now next is shade its 5 parts. Now we have shade 5 parts. Now we have color 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So students, I have color 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write the fraction for the shaded part. Now students, what we will do, we divide each rectangle into 3 equal parts. So look here, divide each into 3 parts. So how many total parts of the rectangles? Total parts are 3. We divide rectangle into 3 equal parts. So we write down 3 in the lower line. So then how many parts are shaded? So now 3 parts, shade its 5 parts. So how many parts we shade in these rectangles? इनमें कितने पार्ट में मैंने शेड करा है? 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So colored part we will write on the upper. So write the fraction for the shaded part. So what is the fraction? 5 are shaded parts and 3 are total equal parts of the rectangle. We divide rectangle into 3 equal parts. So 3 is the lower number, and colored parts, how many colored parts? 5 parts are colored parts. So our fraction is 5 upon 3. So students, write down the rectangles, shade 5 parts. First we divide it into 3 equal parts. Then you color the 5 parts, and then you will write the fraction of that part. Okay beta? So write down. Now students, write down question number 4. Question number 4 is write each fraction on the chart. Now here I have written some fractions. Now we have to arrange these fractions on this chart according to the less than a whole and more than a whole. So students, now first I have explained you that if fraction is less than a whole means suppose 4 upon 4. 4 upon 4. So 4 ones are 4. So 1 is whole. Now which fraction is less than whole and which fractions are greater than whole? So कौन से फ्रैक्शंस जो है वो होल से बड़े होते हैं और कौन से फ्रैक्शन जो है वो होल से स्मॉलर होते हैं. सो बेटा अ फ्रैक्शन इज लेस देन होल. लेस देन होल में कब होगा बेटे? व्हेन द लोअर नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन द अपर नंबर. जब लोअर नंबर जो है वो अपर नंबर से ग्रेटर होगा. ओके, सपोज दिस इज द लोअर नंबर एंड दिस इज द अपर नंबर. सो अपर लोअर नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन अपर नंबर. ओके, यहाँ पर देखो लोअर नंबर 8 है और अपर नंबर क्या है हमारा 7. सो अपर नंबर इज लेस देन लोअर नंबर एंड लोअर नंबर इज मोर देन अपर नंबर, ग्रेटर देन अपर नंबर. इट मींस अ फ्रैक्शन इज लेस देन होल. यहाँ पर ये फ्रैक्शन जो है वो होल से मींस 1 से लेस. एंड व्हेन नाउ सेकंड इज अ फ्रैक्शन इज ग्रेटर देन होल. फ्रैक्शन होल से बड़ा कब होता है? when the lower number is smaller than the upper number. When the lower number, this is lower number and this is upper number. When the lower number is smaller than the upper number. देखो in this fraction lower number is smaller than the upper number. So in this fraction a fraction is greater than whole, means greater than 1. Okay, and when the fraction is equal, दोनों सेम है 4/4, 5/5, 2/2, it means odd. उसको हम किस में लिखेंगे? odd. अब सबसे पहले फर्स्ट वी राइट द लेस देन होल. जो लेस देन होल है, लेस देन होल में कौन से आएंगे बेटे? नाउ लोअर नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन अपर नंबर. यहाँ पर लोअर नंबर ग्रेटर है अपर नंबर से. अब लोअर नंबर इज, लुक हियर, द लोअर नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन अपर नंबर, सो 1/4. ये आपका आ गया लेस देन होल. ओके बेटा. नेक्स्ट है आपका, सबसे पहले हम लेस वाले कर लेते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट है 1/4. नाउ 3/4. लुक हियर, लोअर नंबर इज बिगर देन अपर नंबर. यहाँ पर भी देखो आप, लोअर नंबर जो है वो अपर नंबर से जो है वो बड़ा है. सो 3/4 इज ऑल्सो लेस देन होल, यानी कि होल से स्मॉल है. नेक्स्ट और देखो बेटे, सी 5/6. Now look here, this is also less than whole 5/6 because this is lower number and lower number is bigger than upper number. So 5/6 is also less than whole, whole से less than. Next is this is 7/8. This is also less than whole because lower number is bigger than upper number. So write down 7/8 here. और देखो बेटे, now ये तो small है, this is equal, this is now a whole are very easy. 5/5 is whole, 7/7 is whole and 3/3 is whole. Write down 3/3, 5/5 and 7/7. These are whole numbers because the answer of these numbers are 1. 3 से 3 को आप कट कीजिए, 3 1 3, 5 1 5, 7 1 7. Our answer is 1. So it is up. Now what are more than whole? Which fractions are more than whole? That fractions are more than whole in which the lower number is smaller than upper number. Yeah, lower number is less than upper number. So see the fraction, lower number is less than upper number. अब देखो यहाँ पर upper number is 3 and lower number is 2. तो lower number less है, so 3/2. Next, now this is also 7/5. Lower number is less than upper number, 7/5. Next, 10/9. Lower number is less than upper number, 10/9. Now next is 8/7. So 8/7. Now lower number is less than upper number, so 8/7. Now how many fractions are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Now we will write these all fractions according to this chart. Now in this line we will write the less than a whole fraction, in this a whole fraction, and in this line we will write the more than a whole fraction. So students, now remember this thing, the fractions which are greater than upper number are which are greater than upper number, that is less than whole, and which are equal to the number, that is whole, and which are less than upper number. Now the fraction which are less than upper number. So these fractions are called more than whole. So students, this is question number 4. You have to write question number 4 in your next notebook. पहले आप fractions draw करेंगे, then draw the table and arrange these fractions according to the chart. So students, question number 5 and question number 6 is your homework. You will do question number 5 and question number 6 in your notebook. Then our exercise will complete. Now on tomorrow we will start comparing the fractions. How we compare the fraction, this we will explain you on tomorrow. So students, question number 6, 5 and 6 of exercise 9A is your homework. So this is all for today. Thank you and have a